What's up? What's up, brother? This is a video response to the dog's hearing test video. This is 22,000 hertz right here. So, yeah. I'm gonna do the video, and I'm gonna do the test, and we'll see what my dog's reactions are. Okay. Here are my dogs right here. This one's Buster. This one's Bo. Little one, hey, bite my finger. Okay, you boys ready? He's like, what was that? Let's do a little bit higher one right here. Let's do 13 hertz. Wait, 15,000 hertz. Okay, here we go. You just had a straight face the whole time. We'll do 8,000. This one should be louder. Let's do 18,000. He doesn't know what's going on. But yeah, that was my video response to the dog's hearing test that I saw. Alright.